In this video, we will show you how to save bookmarks in Google Chrome. The first thing to do is to click on the settings icon, then click on bookmarks, then click on show bookmarks bar. Enter the website you wish to save. To save this website as a favorite, click on the star icon to create a bookmark. Click Done to save. The new bookmark Google will appear in the bar. To bookmark additional websites, enter the new address and click the star icon to add. You can also change its name here. To edit an existing bookmark, navigate over one and click the right mouse button to see its properties. Select Edit to change its properties. For example, change its name. In Edit, you can also organize bookmarks in folders. Click on Make New Folder, enter a name, and click Save. Now a new folder will appear with the bookmark saved in it. You can delete them, drag and drop them outside or inside other folders.